Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Firebase console with the project owner account so you have full permissions. Once signed in, make sure you have the project owner or editor IAM role. Without it, you cannot delete databases. Before proceeding, export your data as JSON or use Cloud Firestore export to cloud storage because delete is irreversible. Once you have a verified backup, navigate to the database section to find the specific real-time database or Firestore instance you intend. You now navigate to database and pick real-time database or Firestore, depending on which you're removing. Once on the instance page, go to Settings or the three-dot menu and choose Delete. This triggers the confirmation flow. Make sure to read the prompt, because Firebase will ask you to type the project ID or project name to confirm permanent deletion. After you enter the required text and click Delete, Firebase schedules and executes the removal, and your data becomes unrecoverable unless you have that earlier backup. Once deletion completes, verify in the console that the database instance no longer appears and check your billing to ensure charges stop. If you need data back, restore from your exported JSON or cloud storage export. Recreate security rules and indexes before reusing the database. If deletion fails, make sure your IAM role is correct, check for active locks or link services, and review cloud audit logs to identify blocking operations. If you still can't delete, remove dependent resources, wait a few minutes, then.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.